Right. So one of the things that I've been doing is trying to find some replacement cables for the Simplicity felting machine. And what came up was this. I do the search, and eBay comes up naturally. And you'll see that here is a deluxe felting machine being offered at $50, no power cables. If I've read this one and you go in and it says no power cables. Ooh, this one says brand new. This is new. Oh, guess it's not, but let's see, $69 plus $22. That's $79.89, like $90. And it is a new inbox. Oh, but this is a hand felting machine, different from the one that I've got, which is the 12 needle felting machine. The reason I was doing all of this looking was because of, oh my God, there's so many now. Here was because I lost a power supply for one of them. I have two. Here is a 12 needle deluxe felting machine. That's the kind I'm looking for, the power supply for, and there are no cables. This one is a 24-volt AC/DC adapter for the Simplicity felting machine power supply charger pre-owned. Now, I don't know if sometimes people sell adapters and they have the same specifications, but they are not the OEM, original equipment manufacturer equipment. So I don't know if this is being sold by a third party who has basically, who knows that this adapter will work. The specifications for the adapter that the machine uses, because I have two of them, one of them has the cable, is 24 volts, 3 amps. So let us see what this says. Kind of hard to tell. Oh, sorry. 24 volts, 3 amps. Look, it's all smudged. Why would you put up something that's so smudged? Item specifics, adapter. That's crazy. But it says it's 24 volts. So that specification is a little hard to find. And let's go back here. Okay, so I just want to show you some more. So I knew I could find this cable, but I did not know if I could find the Pressafoot cable, which is also rated at 24 volts, 3 amps. So here's some other machines by Simplicity. Oh, this is making me crazy. Felting machine, 12 needle. Okay, so again, this is a little better, more focused. The first one we saw, nope, $179.70 or best offer plus $44 shipping, which would make it over $200, no cable. And here, this one, $270 with cables, plus $148 shipping. What the heck? Or best offer. I guess that $148 shipping makes it possible to do the for best offer. Okay, so this one, curious as to where it's shipping from. Pennsylvania. Okay, so you might say, why would anybody pay that much for that kind of machine? It's kind of a cheaper machine. It really is not heavy duty at all. But what it does have is a really nice guard so that if you are doing activities with little fingers, as in kids, they don't get stuck with 12 needles all at the same. So so that's a value to me because I'm getting ready to do an event. So I've been looking here. The first time I saw a cable, then it got sold, and now I haven't seen any more. So it occurs to me that there is a problem to be solved because these cables are a little tricky. They're non-standard. And so then I sort of tried it out. And I ended up buying something from Facebook Marketplace. I got one for $45, power and foot pedal included. The foot pedal had the right specification, the power did not. And here is that video. And then I'm going to tell you what I think might be a good way to approach your search for these, the power and the foot pedal for this machine. Okay. Stop recording.